How to contact Shein Live Chat Support. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of me. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under more services, you're gonna see the option of support. Click on that. Once you're in the support page here, you're gonna find different options. If you're having issues related to these topics, go ahead and click on it. So I have selected product and stock. Now scrolling down here, you're gonna find different options. Now you can go ahead and click on the question in which your issue lies in. And with that, you're gonna get the answer for it. To contact Shein Live Chat, what you have to do is scroll down, click on the option of Live Chat. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna see this message box. Here you can briefly explain about your issue and send it. With that, you're gonna get the reply from Shein customer service team. So this is how you can easily contact Shein Live Chat Support. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.